Hi friends, welcome again to Weltech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. I am Vincent again. In our last video about welding test positions, we have covered the test positions for groove welding for plates. And we'll continue with the part 2 now, in which we will be discussing the fillet weld test for plates and groove welds for pipes. Okay, let us start. Okay, now let us go to fillet weld positions for plates. Okay, this is for 1F. For groove weld, we have seen that 1G. G for groove. Here, F for fillet weld. Okay, so in flat positions, fillet weld on plate is known as 1F. Okay, you can have this way also, a T joint and exactly down hand welding, your hands down, so that you can do the flat welding. Similarly, you can do it this way also, a backing plate or not backing plate, the even thicker plate also can be given, like what we are giving for the back as a backing plate, and this you can weld it here again in flat position. So this is known as 1F, fillet weld for plates in flat position. Okay, this is the next one, fillet weld test position for plates. This is same kind of test pieces fit up. The only thing is the positions are changed. Here you have to weld it horizontally in both cases, either this way or in this way. You have to do it horizontally, and so it is known as 2F position, horizontal position for plates fillet weld. And here again welding test position for plates fillet weld vertical position is known as 3F. Okay, either this type of test plate can be prepared or this it can be done this way also, and you can weld it upwards or downwards, whichever way it is to be. It is as per the WPS you have to go for, but the position is 3F. Okay, vertically you have to weld your test piece, and welding is a progression also vertical. This is 4F, overhead position, welding test position for plates fillet weld. Fillet weld test positions for plates in overhead position. Okay. Okay, sorry friends, I don't think I will be able to include the pipe welding positions in this video. I will be taking it into the next video. Until then, goodbye. Thank you for watching. See you.